Guys, I'm gonna try to install a tower brace for a 2005 Saab Arc, and I got this little baby over here. So the instruction says it's supposed to be pretty simple, 15 minutes. I'm gonna post the link on the video, and seems very simple so far. So pretty much the instructions are telling me that I need to loosen up or take out these two bolts over here and another two right over there, and the tower brace should bolt on. It does come in with extra ones over here, so I took out the four right over there. I took them out with the number 13 ratchet, and on this one I think I'm gonna have to use the T40, but I'm gonna just hand tie them up with my drill over here. So again, I'm gonna see how it is. I think I'm already halfway done. So there you go, that's how it looks like. It was actually indeed very pretty simple. And I ended up using this. This is really neat. So I ended up using that. Again, it is 15 minutes to install, and the instruction says too that sometimes, I guess, if they don't line up correct, you have to lift up the car, but you know, luckily I didn't have to go through all that.